Scratches around furniture legs mess up your floors and make your whole room look kinda rough. But you can totally fix that with some simple tricks. Okay, so first off, grab some furniture pads or coasters and slap them under each leg. This little move saves your floors from getting all scratched up. If your furniture's heavy, pick thicker pads so they don't squish flat and stop protecting. Like every few months, check those pads to see if they're still stuck or if they've worn out. Replace them right away if needed. When you're moving furniture, don't just drag it. Lift it or slide it on a blanket to avoid new scratches. Also, keep an eye on the floor itself. If there's dirt or grit under the legs, that stuff will scrape your floor no matter what. For hardwood floors, a quick clean with a soft broom or vacuum before moving things around helps a ton. If scratches already happened, try rubbing a walnut or a matching wood marker over small ones to disguise them. Lastly, think about area rugs in busy spots. That way your floor stays safe and stylish. One of the biggest mistakes people make with scratches around furniture legs is skipping furniture pads or buying cheap ones that don't stick well, which leads to those annoying marks forming again fast. Fix that by investing in good quality felt or rubber pads and making sure they're properly attached. Another issue is dragging furniture across the floor instead of lifting it. That's basically asking for scratches. So, lift or use sliders every time you move stuff around. A third common problem is ignoring dirt and debris under the legs, which wears down your floors even with pads on. The easy fix? Clean your floors regularly and wipe off any grit before pushing or moving furniture. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for anyone looking to connect with trusted, local contractors who get the job done right without hassle. Plus, if you are a contractor, it's a solid way to find new work and grow your business by reaching homeowners who need help.